Hey guys, it's Mr. SJR and Mr. SCJ. We're going to give you a tour of our... Of course, you got the bed. We're tailgating right now, so you might see some stuff in there. Then you move on to the back seat, where we have a little extended, whatever you want to call it, because Mr. SCJ has a dog. You got the driver's seat. Sorry that you saw a little dark. You got the steering wheel, center radio thing, center console, glove box. Now we're gonna go to the hood. Actually, no, we're not going to go to the hood. We're going to close it later. Us tailgating. This is Mr. SCJ's dog. The other side of the back seat. And the passenger seat. So, this is our truck. We hope that you like our truck.
Yeah.
And we're going to end with some words with Mr. SCJ.
That dog's got a $60,000 back seat.
She does?
$60,000 bedroom. Must be nice, Roy. She's like, yeah, it was for me.